Hi, my name's Deanna Bauer. I'm the general manager at Moe's Breakfast and Burger Joint in Almaden Valley. Here at Moe's, we use Wi-Fi for our guests that maybe come in for a little business lunch, or families that come in so their kids can have a little screen time. And in the afternoon, you can come for a little happy hour, check your emails, and still get some work done. We didn't have guest network before because we were looking for a simple solution that would provide complete coverage throughout the restaurant. Some of the issues that we were having with the other systems that we were looking at was spotty coverage throughout the restaurant, especially on the patio. Today here at Moe's, we're using the Orbi Pro combined with the outdoor Orbi for complete coverage throughout the whole restaurant and the outdoor patio. Some of the other systems just couldn't provide the coverage that we get now, and some of the other systems were so complicated with the routers over here and the range extenders over there. The Orbi Pro was such an easy choice, and it was so easy to set up. All you do is plug it in, sync the units, and hang it where you need coverage. I didn't even have to call my IT guy. Everything's working great here at Moe's. The guests are so happy to get free Wi-Fi inside and outside. And it's nice to be able to sit outside on the patio on a sunny day like this and check my emails or FaceTime with my good friends. Since installing the outdoor Orbi and the Orbi Pro, we get coverage throughout the whole restaurant and the patio. And the speed is so fast, we can even stream video outside on the patio. I'm excited that we can offer free Wi-Fi to our guests now. It makes them happy and it makes me happy. And I'm excited for the summer where we can stream music outside for our special events like Maps and Mimosas. Now I really do have better Wi-Fi everywhere, even on the patio.